Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today we're showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Technik. This little A1 comes finished in Python yellow and is fitted with a 1 litre TFSI petrol engine and manual gearbox, allowing you to push 95 PS. This A1 is also ULEZ compliant, allowing to travel anywhere you wish without risk of fees or fines to pay. To the front of the vehicle is a set of LED headlights. These are designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter your driving conditions. The door mirrors are electronically adjustable and are heated, allowing you to quickly and easily defrost them on cold mornings. The vehicle sits on a set of 15-inch alloy wheels in a silver finish. These beautifully complement the exterior finishes of the vehicle. To the rear, you'll find a set of LED rear lights. These are fitted with dynamic rear indicators, allowing you to be easily seen whilst driving at night. Opening up the tailgate, as you can see, there's plenty of storage space for anything you may wish to take upon your travels, despite the small size of the vehicle. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats. The outer of these come fitted with ISOFIX, allowing you to easily install children's car seats into your vehicle. There's also a cup holder in the back for perfect storage. The front seats are manually adjustable, providing perfect comfort no matter the journey. The cabin is equipped with charging points, keeping you charged and connected whilst on the move. The seats are finished in Delta cloth. This vehicle comes with manual air conditioning, allowing you to easily adjust the temperature within the vehicle to your liking. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, alongside your media connectivity. This vehicle also features a shortcut to your vehicle settings, allowing you to adjust your driver assist and lights and vision settings quickly and easily. In front of the driver is the multifunction steering wheel which allows you to control the music, cruise control and your digital cockpit. Here you'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity, and your media connection. That concludes our 360 walk around this Audi A1 Technik. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.